welcome back to the show. We are here in Wichita with our friend Luke with Meadowlark Landscape and Design. Luke, thanks for being with us today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Yeah, and we're at this beautiful home here in Wichita, and you guys have kind of helped revamp this area a little bit, and a part of that is to keep the grass and the plants luscious and full and bright. How do you guys do that?
We do it with mostly on the plant beds. We've switched everything to drip irrigation.
Okay.
With the drought and just the setup and the amount of plantings that are involved, we feel drip irrigation is a lot better and effective to water. Most of those oversprays and things like that, when you start spraying all the beds, you're promoting, you're losing it in the wind, obviously, and then you're also promoting a lot more weeding. Okay. Weeds will germinate a lot quicker. So drip irrigation teaches the plant to go look for the water. So you have to run those, 40 to 60 minutes per cycle. Okay. Because the drip emitters themselves are per gallon per hour, so they can be 0.6, 0.9, things like that. But that teaches that plant to really root in and grow deep. Yeah,
and so walk me through, what exactly is drip irrigation? You have tubes and then it kind of leaks from there?
Right, yeah, so that's netafin tubing most of the time. It's usually brown in color so it can blend in with the mulch beds and things like that. And then that will come in 12-inch spacing, 14-inch, 18-inch spacing. And inside that actual line is an emitter itself. Okay. So it will leach that water out every 12 inches.
What's the conveniency of having drip irrigation?
The conveniency is you're not going to lose that water. Yeah. As long as you're running, the misconception sometimes we run into with some of our customers is they don't run it long enough. Okay. Being that it's only 0.6 per hour. Yeah. You really have to water that quite a bit of time to make a good puddle. But it really just makes those plants very, very hardy because it makes them go look for that water. So they're not relying it, just like I talked about in past weeks, root zone being right at the surface. It's actually growing deep. Yeah,
well, you guys are obviously very knowledgeable at Meadowlark Landscape and Design, and what you recommend, you help out the homeowner, but they have ideas as well, and you always work with them to kind of do what's best for everybody involved.
Yeah, absolutely. We love to combine with our customers. There's a lot of customers that know exactly what they want. They've been gardening for a long time. Gardening's a huge hobby for people, and we really like to blend and make those possibilities come true.
Absolutely. Well, if people want more information about drip irrigation, anything you guys do with landscaping, how can they find that?
You can find us online, or you can reach us at 316-880-0227.
All right. Thank you so much for being with us today, Luke.
Thanks for having me.
Make sure you check out Meadowlark Landscape and Design here in Wichita, but we'll have more on Good Day Kansas coming up next.
Beyond the Backyard is sponsored by Meadowlark Landscape and Design, where nature's beauty meets timeless design.
Picture a garden that reflects your style and represents your lifestyle. At Meadowlark, we make your dreams a reality. Transform your outdoor oasis with Meadowlark Landscape and Design, where dreams flourish. Our expert team at Meadowlark Landscape and Design specialize in breathtaking landscapes that enhance the beauty of your home. Contact Meadowlark Landscape and Design today for a free consultation. Meadowlark Landscape and Design, where your dreams blossom.